wheels are now Our two pilots today are Vic Norman and Steve Hicks. Vic Norman, very much the leader of the team, has been involved with it since its inception.